Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube. Look. Warning, warning. There's going to be alcohol, tobacco use, and foul language on this show. If you can't handle that, please leave now. You have been warned. Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Brothers. Oh, we got to go to it. Oh, brothers. Look. These are good times, brothers. Look, the money is on the way. We are in big times right now. Big times right now. Let me tell you something. I want to tell you something. Fuck, guys, I'm excited. Look. December. Today's December 5th. Look, within the next 7 months, there is going to be radical transformation in this industry. And I'm going to get to it. Hold on. I'm not just going to preach right off the top. Hold on. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, the money. And finally, we're going to get some regulations. All right. Let's just get to it. Hold on. Let's just get to it first. Let's get to it. All right. So story number 1, guys. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, so one of the brothers, Bob, he was talking about arbitraging, crypto arbitrage. And so I found this website the other day. I brought it to his attention last night. And I brought it to Justin. Well, he brought it to Justin Williams. There's a guy, Justin Williams. He's one of the brothers here. He's a programmer, like professionally. That's his job. Not pretending to be, but that's how he pays his bills. And so he knows about stuff. And so he was like, blah, blah, blah. If they have I think it was called an API. I don't remember what it was. So, I haven't. But we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about arbitrage. I'm going to tell you guys what arbitrage is, first of all. And then I'm going to talk to you about this thing, and I think maybe you can do arbitrage. And, make some cash. All right, brothers. And then, yes, now, that's what I'm talking about, and this is what we need. This is what we've been talking about here for a long time. We need these politicians to decide the rules, or someone to decide, someone make up the rules. Are these securities? Are these commodities? Which are securities, which are whatever. Who cares what the rules are? Just make them so that there's no more excuse for, delay. Do you understand? for the delay in the tsunami, right? Because people are afraid to list this and list that because they don't know if they're going to get in trouble by the SEC. So we're going to talk today. A congressman, a Republican. Like I told you, Republicans, they're all about investors and they love us. And this one congressman here, he's going to propose of crypto-friendly legislation. I'm going to read all about it to you. Oh, and it's fucking friendly, son. This shit's friendly as fuck. I think it might even be a little too friendly. That's how Republicans are when it comes to investors. Yes, and then we're going to talk about ErisX exchange. Now, a bunch of you guys have talked to me about this exchange. And you never mention ErisX, Shamari. You're always mentioning just Coinbase, Gemini, and Backed. Right? And I'm not even going to bullshit you. The truth is, I just always forget the name of it. I know it's there. I just forget the name. And it's never in the news. And so the name doesn't, get lodged in my head. So I forget, So we're going to talk about the fucking partnerships that these sons of bitches are getting. Look, guys, and this is that's where I'm going to talk to you about. Look. Q1, Q2 next year, boys. That will be the transformative part. Those 6 months between January and June next year, everything's going to change. Oh, everything's going to fucking change, brothers. And I'm going to fucking prove it to you. You know how I do. I always tell you what I think, but then I like to prove it to you. So you hear it from some CEOs and important people. You know what I mean? I'm not stupid. You know what I mean? I know. It's better to hear it from, a dude with $1 billion than some little Forex fuckstick over in South Beach. Bang! No, brothers. So look, let's do how we normally do. Oh, because I'm excited to get to these. Oh, I'm gonna get fueled for this too. Hold on. Let me get it set up. We do a bang, and then how do you do? We always do a refresh for bang fresh numbers. Oh, a little sale. Oh, some of them. Wait. Okay, hold on. Let's calm down. Let's do this in an orderly manner, brothers. Orderly fashion, brothers. Settle down. Top 10 cryptocurrencies on the market tonight. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. XRP still in number 2. Ethereum, Stellar, still in number 4. Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Tether, Litecoin, Bitcoin SV, and Cardano still holding on the number 10. Now, bang, look at this. Actually, that's not. Some of these are on sale, though, nicely. Let's just take a peek, brothers, which is what we're here for. So, I'd just say mid-single digits down to low double digits down. Mid-single digits down to low double digits down. It's kind of varied. But for the most part, mid-single digits down. Oh, there's some in the double digits, though. To double digits down. That's when I get excited. When I see double digit. Mid-single digits down to holy waves. Look at that crap. Yo, when we did that airdrop for it the other day. All right, mid-single digits down to double digits down. And there's some green in there. There's a little bit. Holy shit. Get the fuck out of here. I know that's going to be on the. All right, let's go to let's do. What? Where was this? Oh, that's 12%. I thought that was 129% down. I was like, that's impossible. You can only be 100%. Anyway, bang. Now let's look at what's on. Whoa, let's look what's on sale today, brothers. Bang, 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 bang. All right, it's not all that sexy. It isn't all that sexy. All right, top 10 on sale today, brothers. Nexo, Pundix, Ethereum Classic, though. Bang, bang, bang. EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Eternity. Yo, I heard about those guys today. So, Eternity hodlers, your new mainnet went online today. Bang. And your CEO says, what did he say again? He said all the developers, and they've made it so robust, and your developers are going to love it. And all the new people, they're going to be able to write their programs on it using, what's the name of the programming language you guys have? Fuck, I read so many articles every day. Anyway, whatever that language is, bang, your people are going to get to use it. So, Eternity hodlers, bang, bang, bang. Good for you. I love good news. I love good news. Now let's see if you can get your shit partnered with someone and actually doing something. Bang, bang, bang. Maybe I'll come for a sack. But until then, good luck, guys. Bang. Now we have Mithril, Decentraland, GX, Chain, and Basic Attention. Bang. All right, let's look at the holy, I know this earner right here. Watch this. Top earner of the day. Bang, bang. Who the free coin? Oh, my gosh. That's retarded. Oh, my gosh. Look at it. 0.000. Did we read this one yesterday? I think so. 0.000034. Look at how pathetic. The volume was $1,787. With a circulating value of what? 3 billion? Oh, that's a scam coin out the ass. That's insane. Anyways, brothers, look. I don't make the rules. I just play by them. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Bang! Look, look, look. Top 10 winners today. Free coin. That's not a winner. That was a pump and dump. Free coin, Waves, Maker, Binance Coin, Factom, Aeon, Stratus. You know I love those boys. They'll make you your own blockchain, whatever you want. Digibyte, Dex, and Insight Chain. Bang! Now let's look at market cap. Total. 124, so we're still around here. Not much of a change. Damn, only 13. Really all that action? There was a lot of action today. For only $3,000 in total volume. 3,000, my bad. 13 billion in total. $3,000. Where did you get that from? What the fuck? 13 billion in market cap? Sorry, in volume? That's a lot of movement, right? Like, that was a lot of movement, man. For fuck all. I mean, even the ones that went up, like, look at how much they went up. Wow, okay, that's not true. Those are single digits up. Oh, and actually, there wasn't much up. Anyways, brothers, man, fuck it. And Bitcoin, 54% of the dominance. Now, let's get into some good stuff, man. We have some good stories today. So we're going to get into this. Now, one of the brothers, Bob, he was talking about, he wants to write, and if anyone knows how, I don't know, like, we talked to Justin about it. I don't know, Justin said something. Anyways, it's about arbitrage, okay? Now, I'll explain to you what arbitrage is. In the traditional, the real trading world, what arbitrage is, you know, assets are shared amongst over many geographical areas, right? So you can buy a share of Microsoft here, and you can also buy a share of Microsoft in France on the FTSE. I mean, I don't know if that's true, but I'm just giving you an example. In other words, you can buy one in America, and you can buy one in Europe. And so the American one might be $100 a share, right? The European one might be $105 a share. So what guys do, they're called arbitrageurs. Like, this is all they do. This is how they make their money. They buy an asset in a cheaper jurisdiction and sell it instantly in the more expensive jurisdiction. So, I mean, you have to have a lot of money to do it, and these guys do. They have billions, and so, like, hedge fund guys do this all the time. And so what they do is they'll buy, I don't know, 10,000 shares of Microsoft at that $100 price, bang, sell them instantly for that $5 markup. So they just made, I don't know, 10,000 with the $5 markup. All right, they just made 50 G's by going boop, transfer over, boop. It's called arbitrage. And they just do that all day. They look for mismatches in the prices, and they just buy the cheaper version of that asset wherever it is and sell it at a higher, in a jurisdiction that's higher, right? And so that was a big thing that was here happening with Bitcoin last year in up until February, that there was what was called the kimchi tax. Kimchi, it's like this food in South Korea, right? And so South Koreans were paying 30% more than the Coinbase price for a Bitcoin. So Coinbase, let's just say Coinbase sold Bitcoins at $10,000. Yeah, over in Korea on their exchanges, they were $13,000. And so what guys were doing was they were just doing arbitrage. All right, fuck, buy 10 Bitcoin over there for 100 G, sell them over there for 130 G. Take that 130 G, buy 130 G worth of Bitcoin. Sell it, like they just kept doing that, right? Like, just buy it there, sell it there. That's what arbitrage is. Fuck, man. They were making a killing. And that's part of why I believe, I haven't heard this reported or anything. This isn't official. But remember, when we had the big slump in January, that was because South Korea kicked out all the foreigners. Like, I'm an American. I'm not allowed to be, or you, whatever you are. If you're not Korean, you're not allowed to go on the Korean exchanges anymore. Yeah, because motherfuckers were just like, look, I buy my fucking Bitcoins here in America, just sell them to these over there on the Korean exchanges. It was sick. And I think that's really what they did. I think that was a part of it. And so, Shamari, what's the point? Now, what I'm trying to tell you is you're probably saying to yourself, so I got to open an account in that country, in that country, in that country? Bang! Apparently, not anymore. This thing, Tap, what does it say? Read the thing. Your favorite exchanges are on Tap, all in one place. So you buy your Bitcoins on, and watch. I'm going to show you the exchanges they have partnered. It's no joke. It's no joke. You can get arbitrage opportunities. There'll be arbitrage opportunities. You know, I mean, I'm a trader and everything. So I'm super busy. I can't really mess with stuff. But I'll tell you what, if I wasn't so busy, I'd rock this. I mean, you're going to have to sit there and really observe and really, you'll see. The report will say it a little bit here. So let me just get fueled, but get ready for that. Bang, what I'm about to read you. Buying cheap cryptos over here. Bang, sell them over there if they're more. I mean, I don't give a fuck. If the crypto over there is 4 cents and you could sell it over there for 6 instantly, you just buy 1 million of those and sell them over there. You'd probably make, I don't know how many tens of G's off that one little transaction. So let's check this out, brothers. Your favorite exchanges are on Tap. Oh, I see what they're trying to say. They're like a beer. Your favorite exchanges are on Tap. Nah, slick. I just got it now. All right. I'm a little slow sometimes. All right. Now, there are many gaps between the traditional financial markets and the cryptocurrency market. One of the most prominent gaps is the lack of exchange aggregators. The equity and debt markets are stubbed with competitive e-brokers. These companies make it possible for a person to trade almost any stock or bond that is listed across a vast number of exchanges through a single dashboard, through a single interface. This convenience, excuse me, coupled with the ease of access to financial data, has made it possible for the average Joe to easily participate in the financial markets. The lack of an exchange aggregator service makes crypto a challenging place for the average Joe. Finding the best prices often means a person would have to carefully scout prices across multiple exchanges and then transfer capital to that exchange. Moreover, many coins and tokens are listed on specific exchanges. It is often necessary to hop from exchange to another to acquire a diversified portfolio. This means a person has to go through several KYC processes. KYC, know your client. That's when you had to give your driver's license and that. Needs to monitor account security across multiple platforms. And then must transfer funds back and forth whenever a portfolio adjustment is needed. Now, this is what this thing does. Bang, we're going to skip a little bit. While none of the established e-brokers have plans to provide services in the crypto community, a new development, TAP, can provide convenient means to trade in this market. Similar to the service of an e-broker, TAP makes it possible for its users to tap into the order books of multiple exchanges. Bang, bang, bang. That's not really useful. TAP users have to set up only one account and deposit capital just to that single account. Now look at this. Look at the names. Like, hold on, I'm going to even move it up just to make it, to put you in suspense. I mean, if they were like, yeah, this has this exchange, that exchange, that exchange, and you never heard of those exchanges, it'd be like, so fucking what? Look at the exchanges they're going to let you aggregate through. TAP will aggregate access to some of the largest exchanges in the world, including BitMax, Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex. This list is set to increase as the application extends its business development approaches. Given the existing network of exchanges covers both fiat deposits and access to a wide menu of tokens, TAP can enable a convenient means to turn fiat into tokens and coins at the most competitive prices with just a few taps on a phone screen. So you do this on your phone. Now, you know, so that's if you just want to, I'm looking at it from the aggregate, the arbitrage guy's point of view. You buy your, hold on, where is it? Where's the list? Where's that list? There it is. Yeah. If I buy my, I'll buy a token off of Kraken and it's more expensive on Bitfinex. Bang, I just buy a shitload of token on Kraken, quickly transfer that over to Bitfinex, profit, and just do that all day long. All day long, just keep looking for price discrepancies. That's what they call price discrepancies. And bang, 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 just arbitrage the shit out of it. So, look, there's a little trading opportunity, investment opportunity for people. People do that all the times in the traditional market. They're called arbitragers. And yeah, if you want to become an arbitrager in the crypto market, and arbitrage, the beauty of arbitrage is, well, you're not, it's guaranteed money. That's the beauty of it. It's guaranteed because the price over here is that, the price over there is that. Bang. It's that easy. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So, way to make money, brothers. Bang. Oh, and sisters. Yes, brothers and sisters. We have some ladies here too now, guys, amongst us. So we'll acknowledge them. Bang. Now, this is what we love right here. Congressman. A U.S. Congressman announces plans for federal. Oh, my gosh. That's what we've been waiting for. How long have we been waiting? What have we been saying? We're waiting for the SEC to drop the book. Right? The rule book, man. Free us. And we're waiting for these politicians to legislate. Well, thank God we got some greedy-ass politician. Oh, believe me, I bet you he's a Republican. Yeah, he is. Of course he is. They love the money, baby. Money, money. If you need money, bang, you go talk to a Republican. If you need your children fed, go talk to a Democrat. Look. Now, federal cryptocurrency. Why is that so important? Because right now, how cryptocurrency is being sort of regulated is state by state. So do you know, like Coinbase, you can't use it in some states. And some states, you can only use certain parts of Coinbase. Like, yeah. And all of these exchanges, like in some states, like Binance, you can buy blah, 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 blah. Yeah, in some states, you're not allowed to buy certain coins on Binance and all that, right? And so it's messed up for the exchanges in that they have to get 50 different licenses, right? Remember we read about, how many times have we read about getting that New York license? Remember I told you that New York license is the hardest one, right? And once you get that, though, you're pretty much going to get regulated in all states if you can pass their test. But yeah, it makes it a hassle, right? So this guy wants a federal cryptocurrency once and for all. Like, this is the rules for the country. Okay? And that'll make the SEC, that'll be it. Like, that'll be it. So let's read, so just read that for a second. Let me take a little commercial break. Man, this is so good. Right? That's what we've been complaining. Well, I guess I've been the one complaining. I'm the one talking on this thing all year, right? If these guys would just would they just regulate, legislate, give us the rule book, let the SEC write the rule book, and everyone will comply. Once everyone is in compliance, well, there's nothing stopping anybody now. Nothing stopping anybody now. You know. ETFs, hedge funds, mutual funds, everyone. Boom. They'll just be pouring in here. All right, so let's check this guy out here. U.S. Representative Warren Davidson, R, Republican, of course, has announced plans to introduce legislation that would clearly regulate cryptocurrencies and ICOs, a local Ohio news agency said. According to Cleveland.com, Davidson announced his intention to introduce new legislation at the Blockchain Solutions Conference. The bill would create an asset class for cryptocurrencies and digital assets, which would prevent them from being classified as securities. See how I'm saying? Look, Republicans will do anything they can to let you make money. They're like, look. We're not going to even let them do this as a security. We're going to let you guys go full bore. Well, remember the housing market? Anyways, who cares, man? I don't care. But would also allow the federal government, and this is the part that I care about. Oh, no. Sorry, I don't care about this part. To regulate initial coin offerings more effectively. This is the part, it's federal. That's what is important. Hold on. This development would bring clarity, exactly. Allow us to know what the hell. This development would bring clarity to U.S. crypto regulation. Currently, this is the part that is important. Currently, state regulatory agencies classify tokens differently in ways that place them under their jurisdiction. So in Ohio, I can buy a Monero, but maybe in Michigan I can't. In California, I can buy a VeChain. In New York, maybe not. You know what I mean? I don't know if those are real, if what I just said was real, but that's an example of what's going on in this country right now. Oh, and here's a better example. So in one state, I can use Coinbase. In another state, bang, nope, not even. Or I can use Coinbase, but I'm not allowed to buy. It's messed up, man. It's really messed up. So the SEC stance is that, and this is what the problem is. So listen to all these regulators. All the regulators have a different opinion on what these digital assets are and what these cryptocurrencies are. Okay, listen to this. So the Securities and Exchange Commission stance is that most cryptocurrencies are securities, stocks. Securities means stock, right? That's the technical word for a stock, a security. The Commodities Future Trading Commission, the CFTC, on the other hand, treats cryptocurrencies as commodities, right? Like gold, diamond, silver, platinum, whatever. In other words, they're actually going to explain. In other words, the CFTC, so listen to this. In other words, the CFTC states that Bitcoin has more in common with gold than with currencies or securities, since it is not backed by a government and does not have liabilities attached to it. Now, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, the agency managing anti-money laundering, and the Know Your Client standards, views cryptos as money. So, SEC views them as securities, stocks and bonds. CFTC views them as gold and silver, commodities. And what is it called? FinCEN. FinCEN. They view them as money. Right? So the U.S. Office of Foreign Assets Control, which enforces economic sanctions, views crypto as money and blacklists wallets of sanctioned persons. So, and we read this earlier this year. I bet this summer, actually, didn't we? Lastly, the Internal Revenue Service treats cryptocurrencies as property. And that's good for tax purposes, property taxes. Oh, that's good. That's good. So let's keep that part of it as property, meaning the profits from selling them are subject to capital gains tax, right? You guys know I'm a Forex trader. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. So you guys have 9 to 5 jobs. You guys pay payroll tax, right? Every time you get a paycheck, like fuck, 25% of your money is taken from you, right? Nah, dude. Not guys like me. We pay what's called capital gains tax once a year. Dude, and the Republicans, they give us tax cuts. Anytime there's a Republican president, we get tax cuts. So we pay capital gains tax. My capital gains tax this year was only 13%. I know, it's unfair, man. It's unfair. This fucker gets to sit at home and press a key and he only pays 13%. I got to go out there and work like a dog. That's why I'm telling you. If you sign the back of the check, don't vote Republican, man. They are not your friends. Anyway, we're not getting into politics, but subject to capital gains tax, meaning that all the money you're going to make off your crypto, yeah, you're only going to have to pay, bang, capital gains tax, son. Keep that in mind for when you get rich off of this stuff, you know. Bang, you're probably only going to have to pay about 13%. So, a group of U.S. congressional representatives sent a letter in September to the SEC, Jack Layton, calling for clear guidelines between those digital tokens that are securities. Now, Davidson has previously demonstrated his support for the crypto industry, suggesting that the ICO market needs a bang, bang, bang. You know I love these two words, a light touch, bang. Just like Jack Layton. Remember Layton? The guy from Clayton, the SEC chairman. He also said light touch. Yes, brothers, we're going to get a light touch around these parts. Well, we'll see, but regulation. It's not over until the president signs that into law. A spokesman for the U.S. representative said in November that Davidson is working on a bill that, once law, would treat ICOs as products rather than securities at the federal state and state level, effectively sidestepping security laws. Of course, Republicans are always trying to let you sidestep stuff. So, blah, blah, blah. So the rest is not pretty. So bang, guys, we got a congressman up in there. He's planning some big stuff. He's planning to let it be regulated on the federal level, which is what's really important. And that will allow the SEC to, all right, come out, make its rules. Boom. Put them down. The CFTC will know which coins they have jurisdiction over. SEC will know which coins they have jurisdiction over. FinCEN will know which currencies they have jurisdiction over. And the IRS will know how to tax which crypto appropriately, which is good for us. All good for us. That brings the money in. Remember that. These big guys, these institutional investors, when they come here, yeah, don't you think they want to know the tax? Oh, believe me, they want to know the tax repercussions. If you're coming in here with $10 billion and you're making, I don't know, say $1 billion a year profits off of crypto, well, how are you going to get taxed? As property? I mean, which is good. Property tax is even better than capital gains tax. I'll tell you that. If they let us keep that, oh, yes, brothers. But yeah, so they want to know these things too, right? And anyway, so this is all a very good thing for us. Now, bang. Now, remember, I read this story to you yesterday or the day before or Friday or yesterday. But the thing was, apparently, it wasn't even confirmed. But now it is confirmed. So we're not going to read this whole thing. But I just want to sort of do a story update for you. Because a lot of people were out there saying you might have read, well, it wasn't confirmed. Maybe it's not happening. Well, it is confirmed. So here we go, okay? And we're just going to do a quick one. Just last week, Bitcoin News reported Bloomberg's findings on the world's second largest stock exchange plan on moving forward with Bitcoin futures listing. This week, Nasdaq has cleared the air of all speculation by, bang, confirming this. So it is confirmed. Oh, my goodness. And that's what I'm saying. The next story I'm about to read to you guys, it's pivotal, man. This Q1, Q2 next year, oh my gosh. As long as this son of a bitch is, even if he does the trade war, all is not lost, I don't think. But, fuck, if he would just fuck off with that, that would just be perfect for us. So listen, we're going to listen to the vice president of Nasdaq's media team, Joseph Christinat, told an Express Point man, Bitcoin futures will be listed, and it should launch in the first half of next year, Q1, Q2. We're just waiting for the go-ahead from the CFTC, but there's been enough work put into this to make that academic. So he says, we've been at this for a long time, and listen to this. Kristen added, we've seen plenty of speculation and rumors about what we might be doing, but no one has thought to come to us and ask if we can confirm it. So here we go. We're doing this, and it's happening. Bang! There's the confirmation, brothers. It is happening. Okay. You know me, I love confirmation. And then here's a little bit more of what he says. He says, we got in the blockchain game 5 years ago, and when the technology first popped up, we just leaned out the window and shouted, hey, come over here, right at it. Man, you see what I'm saying? Did you ever hear about these guys 5 years ago doing this? Nasdaq? Nope, they're sneaky. They're sneaky. They hide it from each other, right? But now everyone's coming out showing that they're doing it. So now everyone's just admitting what they've been doing for years. However, the most assuring is that the exchange has spent so much on achieving this milestone. That is the assurance. The fact that they spent so much time trying to do this is amazing. And what does he say? We've put a hell of a lot of money and energy into delivering the ability to do this. And we've been all over it for a long time, way before the market went into turmoil. And that will not affect the timing of this in any way. No, period. We're doing this no matter what. Now, the only thing left is for the CFTC. Hold on a second. Yo, you got to wait 10 minutes. All right. Bang. And this is what I bring up here. Bang. Look at this. So here's this ErisX you guys are always talking about. Look at who's invested in it. Nasdaq and Fidelity. Bang. Look at this. Financial industry giants Nasdaq and Fidelity continue to wade deeper into the nascent cryptocurrency ecosystem, most recently through investments in Wall Street-friendly crypto exchange, ErisX. The Chicago-based ErisX announced today that it has secured $27.5 million in funding from a group of investors headed by Nasdaq Ventures and Fidelity Investments. All of you obviously know Nasdaq. They're the ones who run the Nasdaq. And Fidelity Investments, if you don't know, they have trillions of dollars under management. Trillions, yes, with a T. I didn't make a mistake. With increasing financial support from leading-edge firms, ErisX stands to provide the most robust, secure, and regulated digital asset offering available to both institutions and individual participants. Bang! Institutional and individual participants, said Eric CEO. Closing the second round of funding enables us to continue building our modern platform and expand our team. Blah, 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 blah. We can skip a little bit. According to the firm's website, they will offer both spot cryptocurrency trading, that's what we buy, and futures contracts, with initial support for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. What do I keep telling you guys? Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You will be rich off of those because those are already classified as commodities. All these exchanges, all the first futures, the first ETFs and stuff are all going to be those four. So get your hands on as much as you can. So he said by Q2, they're going to launch the spot contracts and futures will be later in the year. And so, guys, that's huge. All right, that's a little bit too detailed. So, bang. There you go, the ErisX guys. You guys have been talking to me about it for a while, and I haven't talked about it. But there it is. And bang, with Nasdaq and Fidelity. So you see what's happening, right? I keep talking to you lately in the past couple weeks about we're in a pivotal moment. December, look, this will be all slow, but you see all these announcements coming out. What's everyone announcing? They're all announcing, look, Q1, Q2, we're coming online with this, that. Next year, come in January, going forward, we're going to have a fun ride, boys. Okay, someone's at my door, so let me get out of here. Let's just do a quick shout-outs and airdrops. Bang, Joey Zoo. See you, brother. Bang. Lisa Flannan. Oh, there you are. Lisa, hey, what up, lady? She talked to me yesterday. She said, bang, we're here, and that's why I have to say, boy, brothers and gentlemen now. Bob at 844-11320. Go to him and get your airdrops. Bang. Crystal Bridgie, she's down with the program now. She's down with us, so her and Lisa Flanagan seem to be the new ladies hanging out with us, brothers. All right. Chargu Mbucha. Bang, brother. See you. DP Entertainment. You've been around for a bit now. Bang. See you, brother. Edwin. Madman Edwin. Bang, brother. I know, Edwin. You were talking to me about the that thing. Yeah, man. But that trade, that's the problem. The trade war thing is only delayed for 90 days, man. Fuck. We'll get there when we get there, man. I don't want to think about that. I want to just be happy with the news of Fidelity and the Congressman and stuff today. Tron cares, you son of a bitch. Bang. See you, brother. All right. What else we got? You can't stop things like Bitcoin. Bang, see you. Crypto coins trader. Bang, see you. All right, that's enough. Bang, bang, and see you. Anyone else? Oh, cousin David there, brother. Bang, see you. All right, that was a few days ago. All right, brothers. So let me get out of here. Let me shill and kill it. Someone is at my door. You know, this is the funnest day. This is the best part of my day. I love talking about the money, man. So, guys, if you guys want to try out that arbitrage shit, check out that. Where was that? Let's go back here real quick. Let me just talk to you about it. What is it again? Tap. Check out this thing, Tap. If it's what I think it is, you'll be able to arbitrage. You buy a Bitcoin over there for 6G, you sell it over there for 6,100. You just do that all day long, brothers. Look. I'm just saying. All right, brothers, let's get back to it. Let's chill and kill it. Bang, Tap. Oh, I didn't even show you the Tap. Hold on. There it is, Tap. So go there and get that. That'll make you that money, I think. I think that'll work. So, boom, guys. Subscribe below, press the bell. It should alert you to whenever I do a thing. One of these. Congress is coming. Bang. And ErisX exchange. Guys, it's not that I was dissing them. It's just I kept forgetting their names. But bang. ErisX is another one. All right, guys. So, this is Shamari Clark. You know, it's the favorite time of my day. I love doing this. I love talking money. And bang, bang. Especially about I love just talking to you guys. See, I'm like the bringer of good news. I love to bring good news. When I get to tell you, look. You'll be rich. Billions are coming. It's fun to say that kind of shit because it's true. Luck, guys. Favorite part of my day is Shamari Clark. I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.